Hello and welcome to measurement vignette number 9 from Duncan Cartledge Online. In this short presentation, we will be looking at the measurement of domestic scale mechanical installations. For many quantity surveyors, the measurement of services is something of a dark art and to be avoided. In practice, it's no more difficult than other trade sections. There are three main parts to domestic mechanical installation. At one end of the system is the primary equipment, the boiler. At the other end is the terminal equipment, the radiators or sanitary ware, and in between you have the pipework. NRM2 allows for primary and terminal equipment to be enumerated and pipework to be measured in linear meters. Pipework needs to change direction, etc. Therefore, a variety of fittings will be needed. When measuring pipework in accordance with NRM2, the taker-off has a choice of how to allow for fittings. When information, that's to say schematics, etc., are not available, fittings can be included in the running length of the pipe and not measured separately. Alternatively, when information is available, fittings can be enumerated. Whichever approach is taken to the measurement of pipework, the following details need to be included in the description. As always, for the complete picture, go to Duncan Cartledge Online.